In this LinkedBase AI review, we're diving into 7 crucial things you need to know about this brand new AI software that just hit the market. Whether you're a digital marketer, business owner, or tech enthusiast, this software is generating quite a buzz, and for good reason. Stick around till the end, because I'll be sharing my honest take on whether LinkedBase AI lives up to the hype and how it compares to others in the market. Now, the first thing you'll want to know is that LinkedBase AI offers a cutting-edge solution for automating LinkedIn outreach. It leverages AI to help you connect with the right prospects, automate your messaging, and streamline your lead generation process. For anyone struggling to balance quality outreach with quantity, LinkedBase AI provides a game-changing way to scale up your LinkedIn efforts without burning out. What's really impressive about LinkedBase AI is its ability to personalize outreach at scale. Most LinkedIn automation tools just send out generic messages, but LinkedBase AI uses advanced algorithms to tailor each message to the individual's profile. This leads to higher engagement rates and more meaningful conversations with potential leads. So, it's not just about sending out as many messages as possible, it's about sending out the right messages to the right people. Another key feature is the software's advanced AI-driven analytics. LinkedBase AI not only helps you connect with prospects, but also tracks the effectiveness of your campaigns. This includes things like open rates, reply rates, and engagement metrics. By tracking these key performance indicators, you can easily adjust your strategy in real time and optimize your outreach efforts. This is a huge plus for anyone who wants to be data-driven in their lead generation. Now, let's talk about the ease of use. One of the standout aspects of LinkedBase AI is how user-friendly the interface is. You don't need to be a tech expert to navigate the platform. The dashboard is intuitive, and setting up automated campaigns is a breeze. For new users, there's a smooth onboarding process that walks you through each step, making it accessible even if you're new to automation software. In addition to its LinkedIn automation features, LinkedBase AI also includes powerful lead scoring capabilities. This feature helps you prioritize high-quality leads based on their profile activity, job title, and other relevant criteria. By using these insights, you can focus your efforts on leads that are more likely to convert, saving you time and effort. For those concerned about compliance, LinkedBase AI ensures that its tools comply with LinkedIn's terms of service, which can be a huge relief. Unlike some tools that may risk getting your account flagged or banned, LinkedBase AI takes steps to ensure your outreach remains within LinkedIn's guidelines, protecting your account while still allowing you to grow your network. One thing that sets LinkedBase AI apart from other similar tools is its flexibility. It integrates seamlessly with CRM platforms like Salesforce and HubSpot, which is a huge advantage for anyone who's already using these systems to manage their leads and contacts. It means no more manual data entry or wasting time switching between platforms. Everything syncs automatically. To wrap it up, LinkedBase AI is a powerful, user-friendly tool that can completely transform your LinkedIn lead generation strategy. Whether you're looking to save time, boost engagement, or scale your outreach efforts, it's a solid option. But don't just take my word for it. You can try LinkedBase AI for completely free by clicking the first link below. After testing out thousands of AI software tools, I've curated a list of the top recommendations for you in the description, so you can explore more AI solutions that can help you grow your business or optimize your digital marketing efforts. So if you're serious about boosting your LinkedIn outreach, give LinkedBase AI a try and let me know how it works for you.